What's going on, everyone? It's Cash, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing two cases to go with my iPhone 11 Pro Max that I just unboxed. Don't forget to go check that video out. I will leave a link here, over there, wherever it's at. I'm going to leave a link, maybe even in the description below. All right, so first one is by Ringke. I believe I pronounced that right. It is a military grade protection. It has been drop tested. I personally won't be doing a drop test, so yeah, but that's what they said. 20% off. Other cases, might check that out. Seems pretty solid, a little flexible. It's like a kind of like a hard plastic. And so let's go and peel that off. I wonder if this over time will get some sort of scratches. If that has that on there, I believe it will. So yeah, just be I'm expecting this to get some scratches on there and not look so well over a couple of months or so, depending on the conditions that you put it in or put your phone through. Okay, so this is the Ringke iPhone 11 Pro Max case. There is a little bit of ridged buttons right there. I do kind of like that, actually. Buttons do press easily. A little slot for your switch. Speakers, do they get covered up? They do not. So that is a huge plus, because I know some cases do cover up the speakers, which I don't like. It is raised in the back for the cameras and as well as the front, so that way it doesn't scratch up the screen. All right, that's it for this case. On to the next one. i-Blason. I've got another one coming, actually, and that will be tomorrow. I will do a separate one for that. This is the i-Blason Halo Black. Peel that off, and I want it clear so that way I can still show off the back. I do like the space gray very much. It does have a logo down here, which is very minimal. You can't really tell. Not sure if you guys can see that right there. And then speakers are also not covered, which is a huge plus, especially with that spatial audio. It is really gonna sound amazing, I hope. Buttons. The buttons actually pretty basic. There's no texture to them, just a little bump. And obviously you do have a spot for the switch, and raise the lip in the back and on the front to prevent scratching to the cameras or the screen. One more thing with this case, it does have a spot for a lanyard on here. So if you like to have a lanyard on it, wrapped around your wrist, taking pictures or whatever, you do have that option as well. All right, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video if you did, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. Most importantly, have a good day.